Prince Harry turns 40 today, but is unlikely to be expecting a card from his only sibling Prince William as they remain at loggerheads. Prince Harry and Prince William's fractured relationship could remain that way forever according to a top psychologist. The brothers have been warring for several years now and reportedly didn't even acknowledge each other when they both recently attended the funeral of their uncle Lord Robert Fellows at the end of last month. Speaking exclusively to Express.co.uk about the possibility of a reconciliation, psychologist Honey Lancaster-James didn't hold out much hope for the pair. Ordinarily, I would say that there is always a way to work things out and repair a rupture, providing that both parties are motivated to do so, she said. However, in William and Harry's case, things could well be much more challenging. This is because, not only do they have a very fractured personal relationship, there would also be an institutional situation to try to restore given the nature of the royal family. Add to that the fact that any move either of them were to make would be so publicly scrutinized, it could make both of them reluctant to make the first move, even if they wanted to try to repair matters. The sad truth about siblings is that although in an ideal world we'd like to think blood is thicker than water and that family comes first, siblings do often fall out and sometimes those relationships remain fractured for many years, if not forever. Even in the best scenario, siblings can find it very hard to repair a broken relationship, she continued. In William and Harry's case, there are so many other major factors and stressors upon them both, that it's difficult to feel positive about their prospects for a proper and full reunion. Unfortunately, she concluded. Both princes attended their uncle's funeral on August 28 at St. Mary's Church in Norfolk to discreetly pay tribute to the brother-in-law of Diana, Princess of Wales. The Duke of Sussex's appearance came as a surprise, as a source had previously said Harry would not travel across the pond for the poignant occasion. However, the funeral seemingly didn't bridge the gap between the brothers, with a local claiming they were not seen speaking to each other and kept their distance during the service.
Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo, te daré calor en la oscuridad si te falta abrigo. Qué bonito fuera si me quisieras tan solo un poco, qué bonito fuera si me quisieras un poco más. Con esos ojazos, tu pelo suelto, tu piel morena, tu voz melodiosa, la más hermosa, qué guapa estás. Te envidian las flores, dan tus colores por tu cantar. Déjame llorar, déjame soñar contigo, déjame sentir que soy tu señor, tu amigo. Déjame volar con el pensamiento a tu dulce nido,